attributes.
Hobbies and attributes. Okay.
That's hobbies. Good question. Well, I like to build things. Just whatever it is I find suitable to build, I'll go online and figure out a way to do it. Um, Best attributes I think would be I don't give up easily, so I'm there until it finishes. Um, yeah, I think that's.
So this case like what is your favorite what areas you looking you want to be a pro like a designing, or you want to be a mechanical, or you want to be a electronics, you have a programming, so we're going to have a lots of opening coming.
Okay. Well, he's really good at designing, so I'll leave designing to him. But I guess mechanical in that sense.
Perfect. And that's great. Thank you. And
SolidWorks drafter, like you said,
What?
designing on CAD.
Kevin is my name.
Who are you?
Kevin Velasquez.
And
My name is Isaiah Flores, and I'm here basically to see what's going on. I'm pretty new to this program, so I don't know much about it. But I've been doing SolidWorks. I've been machining. I've been drafting. So I've been becoming a great student here.
he said machining, right?
Some machine, yeah.
Okay, you got it.
But what we're also
So-
saying is that these two gentlemen have been here longer,
Yeah.
and we need to get the freshman class ready for next year. And this is what Isaiah can bring to the table, because he'll have history from the year before, when the next year comes about to do
He'll be captain
competition.
of next year.
That's perfect.
Yeah.
That's great.
Well, my name's Wei. I think when I think about myself as an entity, I think of myself. I design very simply. I'm above average good in prototyping. I like to have the hands-on making things, but I like to kind of dabble in a little bit of everything. You know, it's I can do the CAD, I can do the machining, I can do the finishing. But
One more Abdul here.
but I try to touch everything, but when it comes to what I enjoy most, I like to make the final product.
That's perfect. Okay, my name is Abdul. So my background is mechanical engineer. I'm from India. I worked at textiles industries for 7 years. Whole job is like manufacturing t-shirt, shirt, whatever you're wearing. We did a long time ago, making 100,000 dozens t-shirts for Walmart came out like that. When I came here, no jobs. Then I tried to electronics. So I studied electronics and computer engineering. Then it's not enough. Then I went to the aircraft maintenance and the aircraft management. So I take all the classes I finished. Then I got a job. Then I'm not still, yes. I got a job from Cal State Dominguez Hills. So still I'm not done yet. I'm coming back doing a more, enjoying doing a prototype, like we say, challenging, doing good products that will reach many audience, that could be helpful to improve other people,
Nice. What do you do for Dominguez, just so they get an idea?
Yeah, Dominguez Hills, I do a mobile app for the campus. So this is called an Enterprises mobile app application. Mount Sac has the same one, but their route is different. So we have like 25 to 29 small apps inside of one framework. So I hosted with the Android and the iPhone. So there's two competitors, so we need to work with them. So I make one framework that will match both of them. So I'm the only one working in Dominguez Hills. So supposed to be 15 people working at the campus. So I'm working in those 15 in one. So that's why I enjoy doing, and like a very competitive. That's more advanced, and it's a top up line. Outside is people are still figuring out, still working on it, but we already 2 years, around like 12,000 people are using it on a daily basis. And I have a portal, I have a campus map, I have calendar events, and I have emails and galleries and alerts, like emergency alerts, so sports, and just you name it.
So you program as well?
Yeah, I'm a good, and like I always say, I can do C++, C, Java, and if you need a prototype in a programming level, I can do more in a Java or C++.
I'm Max Lizarraga, and of course, all of you know me, but I'm here to open up the facilities, make sure that we have everything running smooth. I'm not here to involve myself in any of the prototyping or any, hands-on that you're doing, but I am here to facilitate and provide everything that you need, or the stumbling blocks of trying to get through campus bureaucracy.
So, coming back, so the idea, I was talking to the Max, so we're going to have a AeroDef this year, last year Westac like that. So we're going to do some product, their products is like it's going to be shows a full cycle. Maybe you all are working in industry or not, this is called a full cycle. Full cycle means you do the concept, that means you're thinking, flow chart, brainstorming, then you take into the drawing, hand drawing, then you become a prototype, then you're going to be face troubleshooting, then this is called a full cycle. Full cycles, concept, design, development, troubleshooting, and a deploy. That's why I keep it very simple. So each one is a fragment, each one has a one criteria. So designing is a big job, right? Concept is a big job, what you need to come, then you're going to design it by hand, you're going to use a CAD, you're going to use a prototype model, then you're going to be developed. That area you're going to reach the audience, who's your buyer, who's going to use it. You don't make the same products already is in the market, we're making replicating something. Then you're going to troubleshoot whatever you're making a prototype. After you troubleshoot, everything is good, now deployment. This is the case, you're looking for the seller. You're looking for the right person to buy your product, the right person to use your product. That's where we're going to bring here in Matsak. The program you all are going to be the same. It's a 4-year program, 3-year program, master degree, but the concept is the same. Full cycle program. So once you've done this other project we're doing, then you have a good idea what is a full cycle program, That's the way I want to.
From concept to out the door.
Yeah. So I choose Monsac because Monsac is a very good platform, especially Max. So possible infinite. You ask anything, Max will get it for you. And here we have a Photoshop, and we have a CAD, and we have machining, and we have electronics, and we have welding. So everything in one place. So if I can make the same product outside, and going to be doing it alone, like one-man army, we can make it as a teamwork, and same time everybody learn each other and make some product for next coming students, either next coming people. So that's why we are in here today.
So what is the project name and?
So this is the AeroDef. This is the all board of the aircraft. So you cannot go make a mixer grinder or home appliances. So we need to come with a very specific airplane type, and at the same time our budget and the time what we can do manufacturing our capability. So I asked Max to do some kind of multi-platform motion simulator. So this one, why I'm bringing this one is not only aircraft. This one can be used in cars. This one can be used in a bicycle motor or a surfboard. So we are bringing this one into multi-framework and one place. So you don't have to buy like 10 attachments. You're going to upgrade it, but you're not buying 10 machines. So these all are very expensive equipment. If you buy, the professionally people are training, they buy this one, they do it inside the home, and they will do it outside the real practice.
And the professional one will cost how many thousands?
$70,000, which is we are going to do. This is a similar product, and it's going to be give the same performance. $70,000. We are cutting down to minimal as much as possible and reach wide audience. Anyone can afford to buy. Also, this one is like a consumer product. It's not like a expert product. Anyone can put it in their home and they can program themselves. Either they can use whatever the available tools. So this one's going to be introduce some more varieties, right? So you have a chance to program your own, and you can modify what